Welcome to another quick Salesforce tip. Today our tip is importing using the Data Import Wizard. Now we're on the home page for Lightning at this time. To get to the Data Import Wizard, you're going to want to come over to the gear icon, which is your setup. You're going to click on Setup. This is going to take you to the setup page where you have the different tools, the different objects that you can work with. There's two ways to find it. In this case, in the quick search box, you can enter data. And you can see you got the Data Import Wizard here. Or you can go to Data here under Administration and click on Data Import Wizard. Now as you can see, we have down here is Launch Wizard. We're going to import some accounts and contacts. In this case, we're adding new records because these have never been in this Salesforce instance. So we'll click on Add New Records. Now the only thing only type of file you can add is the CSV file. So click on CSV, and we're going to go ahead and choose our file. In this case, I have edited a Fortune 500 list. Now what I did when I edited it, I made sure that I matched the headers on the CSV to the fields in the Salesforce objects. And I'll show you why here in a minute. Now that we've got that done, we click on the next link, which is at the bottom right. And you can see over here, because I had changed the header names to match the object field names, I'm not having to do a lot of mapping on the fields. So in this case, the only thing we're going to have to map is we have a contact. And in this case, I know that it matches to the contact name. We have the title and the contact address. I'm not going to map at this time. But this gives you an idea. It maps the account name to the account name, website to website, and so on. And here's your examples over here. We will click on Next. And you can see that we have mapped 8 fields and left 3 fields unmapped. We're going to start our import. As you can see, the job is now completed. And now we'll do is switch back to Lightning Experience. We're going to click on the Accounts tab to see that our accounts got added. And we're going to look at New this week. And you can see all these accounts that got added from our import. For example, 3M is a Fortune 500 company. So let's just click on 3M. Now, of course, right now it's showing 0 contacts, and the reason is the page just needs to be refreshed to pull that data in. Well, calls me a liar. But you can see now by clicking on that contact does show up as 3M. Go back to Contacts, click on 3M, and you can see the contact does show up now. Must be just a glitch that they have in Salesforce Lightning. We can go to Contacts, same thing. We can do New this week, and it'll show you all the contacts, the contact name, what their title is, their phone number, who their account owner is, and if we wanted to do it, we could have included the email addresses, which for most persons we don't have, we didn't have in that spreadsheet. So that's the quick Salesforce tip. I know it was a little long, but I hope you enjoyed it.